Welcome to episode number 38. Today we're going to make Moroccan carrot salad with oranges and Medjool dates. First thing I'm going to do is have a quarter teaspoon of ground cumin. I am grinding up my own cumin here, but you can use ground cumin from a container. You're going to zest one lemon. I have a little zester thing, but you can just use a regular grater and just take the peel off. Make sure you don't get any of the bitter pith. Next thing we're going to do is cut the lemon and juice the full lemon. Now the recipe calls for 4 navel oranges, but I happen to have a bunch of clementine, so you're wanting to take the zest from one of your oranges or your clementine, and you're also going to juice one of them. Chop up all the zest from both of them and add them in. Now you're going to have a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and your quarter teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix that all up and pour it in. I guess you'll mix it up anyway once it's in there. And 2 tablespoons of honey. Then you're going to drizzle in a quarter cup of olive oil while you're mixing it up, and add a little bit of salt to taste. Next you're going to take a pound of carrots, skin them all down, and then chop them into 3-inch matchsticks. I recommend having them a little bit big so they retain their crunch. Pour the dressing in, all but about 2 tablespoons, and mix that all up. Next you're going to take about half a pound of Medjool dates, pit them, chop them up a little bit, and the recipe, as I said, calls for 4 navel oranges. I just had clementine, so I think I used 5 or 6 of them. And you're going to cut them in between each of the membranes, so it exposes all the nice little juice sacs, and it looks cool, and it makes it for a nicer texture. If you have the whole orange, you can actually just slice through each of them, and then there'll be the membrane in between each of the slices. You're going to mix up the dates and the oranges with that last bit of dressing sauce. And now it's time to plate everything. Take some of the carrots, put them out, and then surround them with your oranges and dates. You can just store it all together, that's what I did. It does change the flavor profile a little bit, but I still like it either way. The flavors meld together a little bit more that way. I will say that some people think that the cayenne pepper might be too spicy. I think it's very important. I left it out the very first time I made this, and it ended up a little bit too sweet, and the cumin came out very, very strongly without the cayenne pepper. So that cayenne pepper adds just a teeny tiny bit of heat, and I think it's a great addition to this dish. So there you have it. That's Moroccan carrot salad with oranges and Medjool dates. That's from Food and Wine. I really appreciate all your guys' input, so like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how you think I'm doing and how I can improve. Bon appetit!